Hi guys, it's Machaela and welcome back to my channel and welcome to my Boxycharm unboxing for the month of March. If you are new to Boxycharm, it is a makeup, hair care, skincare, beauty subscription box. I learned last month that they are combining with the Ipsy box, so things are changing, so I won't know more until next month. But it is, if you have your membership already, it's just kind of combining, so I don't know if it's the name's going to change, if it's going to be like Boxy Ipsy or what's going to happen. All I know is that the membership's still the same and they're supposed to be doing some upgrades, so I'm actually looking forward to what's going to happen. Looks like there will be some more choices in the future, but I won't know anything until next month's box. Anyway, let's just go ahead and get into it. Starting off with the choice this month. My choice for the month was the Il Makiage Icon Mascara. For eyes to bat your way out of a parking ticket, this mascara weightlessly lifts, separates curls, and thickens every lash for some serious drama, and it retails for $27. I wore it today. It's definitely separating. So I'm wearing most of the products on my face. I don't really have an opinion yet. I think mascaras usually take couple weeks or so to really figure out what your opinion is, but I think it's good. I think it's a normal mascara. Again, I like mascaras that are a little bit cheaper and that are better. Boxycharm, I think they made a mistake, but they sent me 2 mascaras in my box as well as my other items. So this is just an additional mascara that just probably got thrown in the box by mistake. I'm going to save this, use it as a gift, probably put it in one of the Mother's Day gifts for this year. So we're just going to save that there. So, I mean, it works because it's a gift that I can use for somebody, but I'm looking forward to using this more. And the next item I have is the Ace Beauté Ultimate Sculpt Face Palette. This Ultimate Sculpt Face palette has 4 shades that can be used to highlight, define, contour, and bronze. Each shade can be used as is or layered on top of another to create a seamless custom look. I played with it a little bit this morning and I actually really liked it. I don't do a whole lot of contouring. I just don't normally feel like taking the time to do it, but on days that I would like to, this might be fun to play around with and get some cream contouring. So I'm happy to have gotten this. Then the next item is the Laura Geller Spackle Skin Perfecting Primer Hydrate. Farewell dry, flaky skin. Quench your skin's thirst with this 2-in-1 moisturizer and primer to save time on your beauty regimen, featuring a blend of hyaluronic acid, glycerin, and antioxidant botanical ingredients. This nourishing formula brightens and replenishes skin for a healthier complexion and creates a smooth canvas for improved foundation wear and keeps your face feeling fresh all day. And this retails for $36, and I like it because it definitely feels hydrating. It feels like it's a primer, but it definitely has like that thicker, like hydrating. Like I feel like this is a perfect blend of both moisturizing and priming. So I'm happy to have gotten this. By the way, the Ace Beauté, I don't know if I said this or not, but this retails for $42. And then the next one, I'm not quite sure if I can try or not because I don't know, because I'm pregnant, I don't know if I can use toners or not, but it's the Koa Life Mist Me Rejuvenating Toner. Natural, vegan, cruelty-free, chemical-free, paraben-free, and sulfate-free. This go-to daily hydrating facial mist is anti-aging, prevents blemishes, and nourishes the skin with calming plant ingredients, promotes blood flow and cellular regeneration, supports collagen fibers to correct and reduce the appearance of aging, and leaves your skin absolutely glowing, and it retails for $35. Again, just because I don't know whether or not I can use toners or not right now. It looks like something that would be nice to try for sure, but because I'm pregnant and I know that there are different rules with skincare and stuff, I just want to stay on the safe side until I know for sure whether or not I can use this. But the sprayer was kind of nice. I was kind of playing around with that, so that might be fun. And then this last item in my box, it's probably my favorite item in this box. It is the Belle & Argent Tinted Lip Balm. A nourishing, lightly tinted lip balm that moisturizes lips all day and provides gentle color. Made with jojoba and sunflower oil, works for all skin types and comfortably enough for all day wear, and it retails for $18. It is what I am wearing on my lips today. It is like the perfect combination of a stain but also a lip balm. The shade of pink is just bold enough to kind of make a statement, but not too bold to where I feel uncomfortable. I absolutely love this. I have the shade Margot Pink. I'm going to try to swatch it. I don't know if the camera's going to pick that up or not, but there's a swatch right there on the back of my hand. But it is such a beautiful lip color, and until I started eating today, I've had this on most of the day. I just reapplied it before I did this video because I ate, but it lasted all day, and it just, once the gloss kind of wore off and the moisturizing aspects kind of wore off, it just kind of left a pink tinge on my lips, and I absolutely loved it. So this might be my favorite item in this box. Overall, I felt like this box was good. I felt like I'm happy with all the contents in this box. I will leave the total retail value of the box either listed in the description box below or on the screen somewhere, or probably both. I don't feel like there were any items placed in the box for the sake of getting the value of the box up. Even this only retails for $35, which I'm happy to have seen that this month. That is a thing that I don't really like about Boxycharm, is that they do like to put in one item that's a ridiculous price to get the value of the box up. And I didn't feel like they did that this month. So overall, this box was a win in my opinion. And I can't wait to see what they're going to do with the Boxy Ipsy situation. I don't really know what's going on. But with that, thank you for watching this video. If you are new here, my name is Machaela, and I do videos focusing on beauty and lifestyle, and my goal on this platform is to share my love for beauty as well as my love for Jesus Christ as my Lord and Savior. And if you did miss my pregnancy announcement video, I will go ahead and link that down below, so be prepared for more of that content as well over the coming months. So yeah, hit that subscribe button if this is what you're into, and if it's not what you're into but you want to stick around, I'd love to have you. Anyway, I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.